So greetings, this is Rider Tech Logistics and we are back today in our video. So today I'm going to show you an attendance management system. So previously we saw a library management system and we are going to see a library management system part 2. But before, we are just heading over to our attendance management system. So it's nice and I think you're gonna love it. Let we dive into the video. So we are going to click here in my Chrome, and here is my system. So my attendance management system, it is saying welcome back. Here you see a cardboard, welcome back, sign in to continue. So here, if you have no account, this is a login page. If you have no account, then you'll not be able to log in. Just remember that I did this system using Laravel.dev. So it was just making it the work easy for me. So I'm going to say create one because I have no account. I'm going to click create one. So creating one, I'm going to put in my name. So I may say that this is my name. Oh, yep, this is my name. So I'm going to put in my email, such as that one, and I'm going to put in my password for the account. So I may say 123 4. That is my password. So I'm going to import a role. So I may be an admin. So I'm going to click admin and I say create account. So if I click create account, you see it is saying that this is Swift roll call. This is the name of my attendance management system. So here, this is a setting. I can say that I don't want a light theme, I want a dark theme. So I change the theme of my system, but it looks me more bright and more nice in white. So I'll use white for my theme. So here, this is my dashboard. It is simple and it does not require a lot of codes, a lot of word. So it's just simple. However, it's somehow missing some graphics, but we'll configure it. So here is my attendance. So I come here and click the attendance. So when I click the attendance, here I have students. You see Abba Patel, Noah Kim, Liam Ken, Mia Kasia, Oliver Smith. So here, when I want to make that student present, I come here and I click present. So that means that the student is present on that day. I click present, I click present. I may say this one is absent and I may say that this one is late. So this is my system. So you don't mind because you may create another one with different patterns and different hovers and different colors, but as long as it is the same, that the function is just recording attendance. So here I will come and click my students and I can add a student. So I'm going to add John Doe. Pause for, I type in John. Roll number, I may say 001. Class, I may say that it is in Form 1. And I say add student. Student. So if I add a student, you see, the student is here, 001. But you see, the key I was using, it was S001, S002. So I'm going to add in another student. I'm going to add, let me say, I'm going to add Rams. Roll number is going to be S00, S010. So class is to be, let me say, also Form 1 as the class, and I say add. So I've added a student, and you see the student here is Rams Form 1. So these are my students. And when I come here in attendance, I have to decide for them attendance. I may say that this one is present and this one is absent. You get it? So this is my simple system. And so if I come back to students here, you can add students, you can search students. For instance, I can search for John, and when I bring in the input, you see, it's bringing John. And when I search for Rams, I press R, I press A, it's bringing Rams, it's bringing also the roll number and the class, you see? So if I come to reports, I come here and click reports. So if I click here the date and I said today, to today, and you see the results are here. So you see the date of today, these ones are present, the roll numbers, the class, the status, either absent or not absent. So I can export Excel and it downloads. You see here in the download button, it is saying that it has downloaded attendance on the day 2025-08. You see, it is working more clear. And so I can also export a PDF. And you see, you look here, in our upper bar of the Chrome. You see, I can export also PDF, and if you click, you see attendance 2025, and if I click it, if I open, you see it is having a table, the date, the student, roll number, the class status, and remark. So this is our system, and we are heading back to where we were in Chrome. So this is the system we are having today, and here I told you can choose to change the theme of the system, and here you can come and say logout. And when you log out here, this is the email, and if I'm logging in again, I just import sign in. You see, I sign out. So since this is the password and this is my email I used to create the account, I'll just click sign in. Therefore, the databases will update and give me a login. You see, so this thing is more clear. You see, now the dashboard is updating. You see, the absentees last 7 days, they are updating. The attendance of the last 7 days is updating also. So you see, total attendance, today's attendance is 64%, present 4 out of 7. The absentees are 2. You see, the system is just simple but doing its role quite good. So thank you for watching. I recommend you to subscribe, follow, and share for more videos that are interesting like this one. Thank you for